Okay, how you doing, Sammy? Yeah, it's 025. Here comes Sammy's.
Which one's Sammy's?
That's 131. Here's Sammy, here it comes. You want to honk its horn? There you go. How you doing? Are you sure?
How do you stop that?
Well, that's number 1. There you got it. Here it comes.
0, 5, 2.
Yeah, that's the blue one. Sammy, don't turn it too far. Then it just quits, I think.
Okay, I'll turn it a little.
Yeah, that's that old controller.
Wait, 0, 2, 5?
Yeah. Is it not catching on? Okay.